Welcome to Dr. Balaga's podcast for the Curious Doc. Today is August 3rd, 2026. This video is from the Great Doctor series. It's on Wang Shuhe, Chinese physician who lived between circa 180 to 270 CE. He's known as the Master of the Pulse. He was author of the Pulse Classics on Maijing. He was a commentator on the Yellow Emperor's Inner Canon, or Huang de Maijing, which is the foundational classic of traditional Chinese medicine. He transformed pulse taking into a systematic diagnostic method. Why the pulse? Diagnosis was central to Chinese medicine. He assessed the pulse quality and rhythm carefully, and he guided his clinical decisions based on the pulse. Traditionally, the pulse closest to the wrist crease was said to reflect the heart and small intestine on the left, and the lung and the large intestine on the right. The middle position over the wrist bone, assessed with the middle finger, reflected the liver when it was a deep pulse, and the gallbladder when the superficial on the left. And on the right, the spleen was for the deep pulse and the stomach for the superficial pulse. And then furthest from the wrist crease, assessed with the ring finger, traditionally reflected the kidney and lower body, including the urinary bladder. At each position, physicians were required to evaluate the pulse with light or superficial and deep pressure, giving 12 pulse assessments. His legacy: the Pulse Classic of Maijing influenced Chinese medicine for centuries. He standardized pulse diagnosis. His legacy is a reminder that careful observation is the foundation of medicine. This is an infographic on him. Hit pause and read at your leisure. Podcast brought to you by masterbedfacts.com. This podcast is for physicians and healthcare providers. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and forward to your friends.